Here's a short lesson on prime numbers and prime factors. A prime number is a number whose only factors are the number itself and 1. Some examples of prime numbers. 2 is a prime number. Fill in the blanks. Think about all your multiplication facts and see what you can think of that will multiply to make 2. Most likely you thought of 2 and 1, or 1 and 2. Those two numbers are the only numbers that you can multiply and get, the only two whole numbers that you can multiply and get 2. So 2 is a prime number. Again, the factors are only the number 2 and the number 1. How about number 3? 3 is a prime number. Let's fill in the blanks again. What multiplication facts can you come up with that will multiply to 3? Well, if you think about it, it'll be 3 and 1. Once again, the only factors of 3 are 3 and 1, and so therefore 3 is a prime number. So these are examples of numbers that are prime numbers, where the factors of the number are only the number itself and 1. Now let's look at some numbers that are not prime numbers. A non-prime number is a number which has factors in addition to the number itself and 1. Let's do some examples. 4 is not a prime number. Think of your multiplication facts and fill in the blanks. If you think about it, you definitely have 4 and 1, but are there other facts we know? Yes, you probably remembered 2 times 2. So because there are other factors besides just 4, the number itself, and 1, this is not a prime number. How about this one? 12. 12 is not a prime number. Think again about your multiplication facts. What can you think of that multiplies? What factors can you think of that multiply to 12? Well, you probably thought of 12 and 1. What else? How about 3 and 4? 3 times 4 is 12. All right, there's a third one here. 6 and 2, right? 2 and 6. So because 12 has other factors besides itself and 1, 12 is not a prime number. Okay, now maybe you're thinking, I already knew this. Why are we talking about this? Well, it was just a quick review. Now let's talk about the concept of prime factors. Prime factors result from when you factor a number and then factor its factors until you come up with prime numbers. What? Well, 18. Let's think of the multiplication facts that make 18. Okay? There's supposed to be a third one, I think, but I guess we'll live with this. 18 and 1 is one of them. 6 and 3 is another. Oh, there they are. 9 and 2. Okay? So obviously 18 is not a prime number because it has other factors besides 18 and the number 1. But now let's take the factors that we came up with and see if we can factor those. Let's ignore the first one and let's just deal with the second one. So we've got 6 times 3 equals 18. So are 6 or 3 prime numbers? Well, let's see. Can 6 be factored into anything besides 6 and 1? I think it can. But what about 3? Can it be factored to anything besides 3 and 1? No, it can't. We saw that on the other page, that 3 was a prime number. So, 3 is a prime number, but 6 isn't. Remember, I'm ignoring 9 times 2 is 18. We won't talk about that right now. Okay, so 3 is a prime number, but 6 isn't. What are the factors of 6? What can you multiply to get 6? Maybe you're thinking of 2 and 3. 2 times 3 are factors of 6. So, 2 and 3, are they prime numbers? Yeah, we saw those on the prime number page examples. So now you have the 3 prime factors of 18. You have the original 3, you have the 2, and the 3. The last 2 are the ones that made up 6. And so if you multiply 3 times 2 times 3, what do you get? Check that out, and we'll talk later.